Hi guys, this grammar video is going to be about parallel structure. What is parallel structure? Parallel structure means using the same word form or grammatical structure to list ideas that come in some type of order. This will make your writing clearer and more effective. How do we connect parallel ideas? Well, we use the following conjunctions: and, but, or. Let's take a look at some examples looking at different word forms and parallel ideas. So parallel versus not parallel, starting with verbs. Let's look at this example. Knife makes our coffee and our dishes are cleaned. That is not grammatically structured well. The correct way to say this is knife makes our coffee and cleans our dishes. Let's look at an example using nouns. The sentence, the children are eating pizza and have cookies. Sounds right? Well, it isn't. The correct way to say this is the children are eating pizza and cookies. Here's an example using adverbs. He played confidently and was quick. That sounds right? We can say that. No, grammatically it's not structured right. The correct way to say this is he played confidently and quickly. Now you can also use adjectives as well. We'll go over some examples later in the video. All right, let's do some practice. Are you ready? Okay, before you begin the practice, I want you to identify the parallel structures and word forms. Also find the conjunction. You can do this on your screen, or if you have a scrap piece of paper, go ahead and use that. Okay, so the sample below, I've given you the answers. The sentence, he likes to run, swim, and dance. Well, the parallel structure here, run, swim, and dance, that's our structure. But these are all verbs, right? And our conjunction is the word and. Okay, for this practice, I want you to try this on your own. Go ahead and pause the video, take your time, and then press play when you're ready to go over the answers. Okay, let's look at the answers here. As you can see in the first example, these are all verbs, and our conjunction is and. As you can see in the second example, we have two nouns, and our conjunction is or. In this next practice, I want you to combine the sentences into one. Now remember, I want you to use and, but, or, and parallel structure. Let's look at our sample. So here we have two sentences. The students will have to submit their research papers. The students will present their topics to the class. Now to combine this, we would say the students will have to submit their research papers and present their topic to the class. Okay, so here, our structure, we have two verbs, submit and present. Our conjunction, and. Okay, so just like we did on the previous part of the video, combine the sentences into one, use and, but, or. Go ahead and pause the video, take as much time as you need, and we'll go over the answers after you press play. So remember, the only thing you had to do was combine the sentences. So number one, I don't have the answer right now, but I will know tomorrow. Number two, do you like chocolate cake? ice cream, or pie. Okay, let's go to page 71 in your book. On exercise A, you'll read the sentences, underline the parallel structures, and identify the word forms. Circle the conjunctions. So this is just like the practice that we just did in practice 1. Number 1 is already done for you. Go ahead and take a couple minutes to do this exercise. Press pause, and then press play when you're ready to go over the answers. Okay guys, here are the answers to activity A on page 71. This is for numbers 1 through 3. Okay, these are the answers for questions 4 through 7. Okay guys, go ahead to activity B on page 71. This is just like practice 2. Combine each sentence into one. Use and, but, or, and also make sure that it is parallel structure. Pause the video and then press play when you're ready to see the answers. Okay guys, here are the answers for activity B on page 71. Thank you guys so much, and remember, for additional practice, go online to LMS, okay? Thank you.